Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and this is Make Learning Chinese Easy. And follow me, I will teach you how to speak Chinese in the easiest and fastest way. Today, I am going to teach you how to speak weathers in Chinese and also ask the people what weather do you like. Now, let's get started. Firstly, it's cloudy day. 阴天, and sunny day. 晴天, rainy day. 雨天, snowy day. 雪天, cloudy day. 多云. So you'll find the cloudy day, you can speak 阴天 or 多云, the same meaning. Now, next one, you are going to ask the people how to ask people and in Chinese, and what weather do you like? 你喜欢哪个天气？你喜欢哪个天气？你 you 喜欢 like 哪个 which weather or what weather, and 天气 means weather, so put all words together. There's 你喜欢哪个天气？ So you may be answering him. 我喜欢阴天 I like cloudy day. 我喜欢阴天 and 我喜欢晴天我喜欢晴天 But for me, I like rainy day. 我喜欢雨天我喜欢雨天我喜欢雪天我喜欢雪天我喜欢多云我喜欢多云 It's like I like cloudy day. So, gentlemen, and you can tell me, and what weather do you like? You can ask your friends, or you can also give your comments below, and let me discuss with you. So now this is today's lesson, and let's read together.
阴天、晴天、雨天、雪天、多云。你喜欢哪个天气？我喜欢阴天。我喜欢晴天。我喜欢雨天。我喜欢雪天。我喜欢多云。
Okay, everybody, this is today's lesson, and follow me. I will teach you how to speak Chinese in the easiest and fastest way. Soon you'll find it's really interesting and easy to speak Chinese. Okay, this is today's lesson. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.